Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of being your own boss and working from the comfort of your own home? Look no further. In this video, we will unlock the secrets to making money online and guide you towards financial freedom. First things first, let's discuss the power of freelancing. By offering your skills and services in the global market, you can tap into a world of opportunities. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or programmer, there's a high demand for your expertise online. Another great way to make money online is through e-commerce. Whether you're selling handmade crafts on Etsy or establishing your own online store, the potential for profits is limitless. The key here is to find a niche market and provide a unique product that caters to your customers' needs. Are you a social media enthusiast? Well, you're in luck. Social media has become a goldmine for making money online. From becoming a brand ambassador to building a loyal following and monetizing your content, there are endless possibilities for generating income through platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Think outside the box. Have you ever considered investing in the stock market? With a little research and the right strategies, you can make money online by trading stocks. But remember, it's important to educate yourself before diving in. Lastly, don't overlook the power of affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services, you can earn a commission for each sale generated through your unique affiliate link. It's like having your own online sales team. So whether you choose freelancing, e-commerce, social media, stock trading, or affiliate marketing, the world of online opportunities awaits you. Don't let this chance slip away. Start exploring these methods today and unlock your path towards financial success. Thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, remember to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more valuable content on how to make money online.